Today we're going to be talking about adaptations. Now you might be wondering what exactly we mean when we say adaptation. Adaptation is a process by which an organism becomes better suited to its environment. This can be physical or behavioral changes that allow the organism to better survive and reproduce. An adaptation is a characteristic that is present in a population, because it has increased the chances of survival and reproduction of that population over time. Adaptations can be classified into two types. 1. Structural adaptations. Structural adaptations are physical features of an organism that help it to survive in its environment. For example, the thick fur of a polar bear helps it to stay warm in the cold Arctic climate. 2. Behavioral adaptations. Behavioral adaptations are actions that help an organism survive in its environment. These can include things like migration, hibernation, or communication. For example, geese fly south for the winter to find food and warmer temperatures. Some more examples of physical and behavioral adaptations include giraffes who have evolved longer necks as a way of accessing leaves from tall trees. This adaptation was essential for the survival of giraffes in their specific environment, as it allowed them to obtain food that other animals could not reach. Another well-known adaptation is the wings of birds. Birds evolved wings as a way of flying, which has allowed them to escape predators, travel long distances, and find new sources of food and shelter. Some adaptations can be for defense. Take, for example, the spines of the porcupine. These spines can provide protection, and may even cause injury or death if ingested by predators. Adaptations can occur slowly over time through the process of natural selection. Organisms with advantageous traits are more likely to survive and pass those traits on to their offspring. As a result, the population as a whole becomes better adapted to its environment. In conclusion, adaptations are an essential part of the process of evolution. They allow organisms to better survive and reproduce in their environment, and over time, can lead to the development of new species. Thanks for tuning into our video today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't hesitate to reach out to us with any suggestions or ideas for future videos.